Article 21 of the California Constitution deals with the redistricting of the Senate, Assembly, Congressional, and Board of Equalization districts. Article 21 was most recently amended by the electorate on November 4th, 2008 by Proposition 11. And Article 21 contains just three provisions or three sections. Section 1 of Article 21 states that in the year following the national census, that the Citizens Redistricting Commission is required to adjust the boundary lines of all the congressional, state senatorial, state assembly, and Board of Equalization districts. This is, of course, known as redistricting. Section 2 specifies that the Citizens Redistricting Commission is to be created in each year, every year after the national decennial census. And it says that the commission is required to conduct an open and transparent process. It has to draw district lines according to redistricting criteria that's specified in Article 21, and it has to conduct themselves with integrity and fairness. Section 2 also provides that the commission consists of 14 members with specified party registration. And it also requires that each commission member has to be a voter who's been continuously registered in California with the same political party and hasn't changed that for 5 or more years. Also, it says that the commission has to establish single member districts for the state assembly, state senate, Congress, and the State Board of Equalization, and they have to do this pursuant to a mapping process using the following criteria. Districts have to comply with the US Constitution. Districts have to comply with the Federal Voting Rights Act. Districts have to be geographically contiguous. The geographic integrity of any city, county, neighborhood, or community of interest has to be respected in a manner that minimizes their division to the extent possible. 5, to the extent practicable and where it doesn't conflict with any other criteria, the districts have to be drawn to encourage geographical compactness. And again, to the extent practicable and where it doesn't conflict with other criteria, the Senate district is to be comprised of 2 whole, complete and adjacent assembly districts, and each Board of Equalization district is to be comprised of 10 whole, complete, and adjacent Senate districts. And then finally, there's Section 3 of Article 21. Article 3 provides that the Citizens Redistricting Commission has the sole legal standing to defend any action regarding their certified final maps. The commission also has to inform the legislature if it determines that funds or other resources to operate the commission are needed. And it says that the California Supreme Court has original and exclusive jurisdiction in all proceedings dealing with a certified final map if it's challenged or if it's claimed to have not taken timely effect. Also, Section 3 of Article 21 says that any registered voter in the state of California may file a petition for a writ of mandate or a writ of prohibition within 45 days after certification of the final map by the commission to the Secretary of State. And that would be for purpose of barring the Secretary of State from implementing their redistricting map.